Here is the sign for woman. Okay, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. Just make an open hand. It's flat. We're going to use the tip of the thumb and touch once on our chin, once on the middle of our chest. So all together, woman. Woman. From the side, woman. From the other side, woman. From the front again, woman. Okay, let's do it 3 times, starting from the rest position. Sign with me. Here we go. Woman. 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 Okay, hand shape with your dominant hand is just a flat hand. Fingers spread apart. Take the tip of the thumb. 1, 2. That's it. Woman. This also works for lady, female, woman. Okay, we just talked about how to sign woman.